I'm moved. And now for something else.
Could we see? Wait. Can I just take a look at the article real quick?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. A little zoom.
This. Yeah.
Okay.
You know what? I shouldn't even be here, but I feel honored to be next to this article right now. As a human being, as a person who lives, breathes, eats, peas. That's how I feel about this. Belches. Has faults.
Right.
Faults.
Right.
This article. Gem. It's like Gem. It's kind of like somebody came up to me in a dream, and I wasn't fully awakened from the dream. And I really feel like, oh God, that article is something that I'm trying not to, and it's happening because it's one of the most amazing things that has ever happened to me. I read that article and I could feel like this fire, this thing, coming up, like it started here, kind of, and it like welled up inside of me. And at first I thought I was having the flare-ups again. But
the flare-ups?
Gonorrhea. And but it wasn't that. Well, they did result, they had a little outbreak after, but the initial feeling was, it was because that article had gotten me so fired up and so just on fire for type. Yeah, see, you understand.
I know. I've been there.
Oh my God.
Sorry. No, it's okay. It's okay. I was same place.
Oh God.
Same place. Like, me, syphilis, and an article about telephones.
Come on. That's exactly.
That's it. Yeah.
That's exactly it.
Okay.
That's exactly it.
Okay. Well, so where do we go from here then?
And you know what? I'll say this because a great man once said it. I don't remember who it was, but only time will tell. Only time.
Right. Well, if you tell time, though, then time can be told.
You know what? I've heard that too. I think we've been reading this. Who's been reading the same books?
I have. How about you?
Hey, I've got that one too.
All right.
You.
Oh. You know what?
God.
High five. Okay. All right. Buddies, you and me. Buddies, right here.
Pals. Amigos,
chums,
whatever language you want to say it in, it's true. It's always going to be that way.
Girl, it's true.
Oh, wait a minute. Now, that's one of those hip-hop songs. I don't know that one.
I think that was Millis Vanillis.
Oh, okay. See, those are the kids that, didn't they do something with something happened with those. I don't know those guys very much. Yes, so I hate to get off topic. I hate to get off topic. But I love the typewriter.
Okay.
And all the things that it's
why don't you leave us with a final thought? If you had to sum up a final thought about not just the typewriter in general, but that article specifically, what would your final thought be?
You know what? That's a tough one for me. But I'll wrap it up.
Go with it.
Okay.
Just go with it.
And I'll wrap it up because I know we I don't want to
short
take
on
up
time.
And I don't want to take up all your time. I have to say that when it comes to those kinds of articles, you know what? I won't even pussyfoot around.
Okay, don't.
When it comes to that article, it's all about doing the right thing. The right thing, yeah.